Hello everyone, my name is Milo, and today I'm going to be talking about the small account challenge journey that I'm going to be taking you guys on with me. So pretty much the goal of this challenge is I'm going to be starting a brand new account with around $15,000, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, we will have to see. But the goal of this challenge is to round that up to $100,000 plus. I don't really have a time frame for this challenge. It might take a year, might take 2 years. Um, but pretty much just want to show you guys it's possible, and I want to bring you guys on this journey. Every single trade, every loss, um, every setup. I'm going to explain my process. I'm going to explain what I look for in a trade, how I manage my risk. Going to be a little more aggressive with this account. If you guys decide to follow, you can scale it up or down depending on your style. But pretty much, I'm going to be explaining the setups I look for, what kind of trader I am, risk management, and so on. So let's just get right into the video. So pretty much I'm a momentum trader, and what that means is, let's just take a look at the S&P 500 index here. So as a momentum trader, what that means is I'm trading during hot markets when there's there's a group of stocks. For example, there's sector strength, um, when stocks are breaking out of bases, when earnings gappers are flagging higher, stuff like this. I like trading hot markets. That's what I believe. That's what I believe when the money's made. That's what's worked for me. Um, so let me just show you guys an example. So currently we're kind of facing a market correction. We're down around 10, 11% from highs. So this is the type of market I don't trade. This is exactly the type of market I don't trade. So on this day, I believe I kind of just sold everything, sold all my positions, and then I tried a few things. To be honest, I probably shouldn't have, but I tried a few things, lost some money, and now I'm kind of just been waiting. So as a momentum trader, we want to trade markets like this. This kind of period is free money for us when the market just surfs the 10-day moving average, which is this blue band. Surfs the 10-day moving average. That's when you want to trade. So the type of setup I trade. So first, you want the market to be above the 10 or 20-day moving average. So you don't want to be trading what I trade when the market's doing this. This is fine if you're day trading or whatever, because you're not really holding positions overnight. So you're just scalping small movements, which is fine. But for my type of trading, you will get crushed if you trade during this period. So let me show you guys an example of a couple trades I've taken in the past, and the setups I trade. So let's go to something like Oklo. So this is a very hot momentum stock, back when nuclear was hot, and basically the entire 2024 and beginning of 25. So just take a look here. This is the type of trade I would be taking. So you see Oklo was in a big range, tried to break out, it failed, and then it tried to break out here again, and it was successful. So I believe I bought Oklo on this day. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys me taking a setup live right now because the market's closed, and quite frankly, there aren't any good setups right now, so I wouldn't be taking any either way. But I did actually buy this on this day. I think I had around a 27 average. I bought it very early, and yeah, I caught this big move. I'll be explaining how I spot this and stuff in other videos when I actually take setups, but for the time being, just please bear with me. So for this challenge, when it comes to risk management, I'm going to be risking 2% of my equity every trade. So what that means is every loss, I will lose 2% on my account. It's actually quite aggressive. to be honest. I wouldn't be trading like this if I was trading, if I was trading 100K to $1 million account, I'd be taking much less risk. I'd probably be taking 1% risk, but 2% risk is kind of necessary if you want to really scale up. Of course, it's a little riskier, but um, smaller accounts, you need to take a little more risk, I believe. Um, but yeah, 2% is that sweet spot. And the goal at this challenge is to ride big winners. So pretty much I only take trades if I realistically think I can make 10 times my risk. Some trades I'll make even more, some trades I'll make less, but ideally when I take a trade I want to make 10 times my risk. So what that means is, let's say I'm risking 500 bucks on a trade. If I can't realistically make 5,000 bucks, I won't take the trade, risking 500. That's a big number. I know a lot of people don't believe you can hit these giant risk reward trades, but you can. Your win rate just going to be a little lower, but with swing trading, you can definitely hit these big multiples of risk. And that's what trading's all about. But yeah, that is pretty much the video. I will be showing you live trades. Don't worry about that. I will be showing you live P&L when I do take the trades. I will show you every loss. We're going to have a trading journal, and I'm going to take you guys through this entire process. 15,000, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, to 100K. And it's 100% possible. You just gotta follow a system. You need to have a system. You can't trade randomly. You can't trade randomness, because randomness doesn't work in financial markets. You can have any type of trading system, to be honest with you. But the biggest thing is how you manage your risk and how much you lose when you're wrong and how much you lose when you're right. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm excited to take you guys on this journey. I'm gonna probably update you guys every maybe 3 times a week. Go over all the trades I've taken. If this gets really popular, I'll even start Discords. I'll post trades just so you guys don't miss anything. And yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. And I will see you guys soon.